Today the standard is to demonstrate the use of character formatting features such as bold, underline, italics, font styles, sizes, superscript, and subscript. By the class, the student will be able to demonstrate ability to find features and get help in Word. When you're working in Word, a lot of times you run across features that you want to use or need to use or something you may want to do. And you need to be able to know how to find out how to use these features. So I'm going to show you some of the easiest ways to do this. One way to do this is simply by using the F1 feature or clicking on the Help button, which is the question mark in the upper right hand corner of the screen. When you click on the F1 or click on the question mark, it will bring up a help screen where you can search for help on things. Say you want to put bullets and or numbering in a document, you would type in bullets or how to use bullets. And then you would click on the search button and it would allow you to find different ways that you can do bullets. The first way that you do it will look for through all content, all Word documents, all everything. And you can just find all sorts of different things. Bullets, numbering, and lists. If you click on that, will bring you to a website that is made by Office, Microsoft Office, that gives you information on using lists. And this is a course that you can take. This course takes 20 to 30 minutes. It's considered an intermediate course, which if you're in my class, you're pretty close to intermediate. You'll probably do just fine with it. This course starts with a narration that tells you what the course does, and then you can start the course. Alright, another option that you have is by going into Word, and you can just change your search to where it just looks at the word help. And when you click on that and click on search, it's going to give you a different list. And some of the things that are going to be in there are going to be the same from the first list, but it's going to be mostly looking at just Word documents and on the Microsoft sites. Another thing you can do is if you see a button and you don't know what it does, you can hover over that button and it tells you, well, that one will make a bottom border. Well, that's kind of silly. Maybe you don't want a bottom border. What else can it do? Well, if you hover over the arrow, you can click on it and it'll give you all sorts of things it can do. If you hover over that paint brush, or the paint bucket, it's shading. Color the background behind a text or paragraph. Alright, that one has no hotkeys, and you know it has no hotkeys because behind the name there is no parentheses. Let's come over here to the Find button. If you hover over the Find button, it tells you that is the Find button. In order to use the keyboard, the Find feature without clicking on the button, you can just click on the Control button and the F at the same time, and it will find text within a document. Alright. At this time, you can now do your scavenger hunt and see how well you have learned these features. Good luck!